Hey Matt, so just a quick little video to show you how to add us onto your ad account so I can jump in and do a bit of an audit just to see how your ads are going and if there's any plugs that I can potentially see that might need fixing. So when you are in the back end of your business manager or your ads account, you just want to go to business settings over here. And then once in there, on the left hand side, you'll see ad account. Click on the ad account, go through to your one, and then you can either go add people, which if you have me as a friend, I should come up in there, or you can assign partners. So this link here, so you can click on that one and then send me a link through. You should be able to generate a link. You might even want to do either manage campaigns or view performance. That way I can't edit anything, but I can just jump in and just take a look. So if you just generate a link there, shoot that over to me, I should be able to pull that over into our business manager, and I can just jump in and take a look and give you a bit more feedback on how you're going with stuff. But let me know if that doesn't work or if you get stuck at all. Cheers.